perimeter is the sum of all sides. Now, let us proceed to our practice exercises. But remember, write the units. Find the perimeter of the following. Since it is an isosceles triangle, we can divide the triangle by 2 to obtain a 90-degree angle. So, as we divide the triangle by 2, we should also divide the angle shared by the same lengths by 2. So 70 degrees divided by 2 is equal to 35 degrees. Using the trigonometric function sine, we're going to use the 35-degree angle to find the base of the half of the triangle. So sine 35 degrees is equal to x over 14. X is equal to 14 sine 35 degrees. Then x is equal to 8.03. The base of the half of the triangle is 8.03. We will get the base of the triangle by multiplying 8.03 to 2. Then the answer will be 16.06. Since we have to get the perimeter, we have to add 16.06 to 2 times 14. So the answer will be 44.06 feet. Since the polygon is an octagon, we have to multiply the measure of the sides, which is 19 inches to 8. So 19 times 8 is equal to 152 inches. 152 inches is our perimeter. The polygon is a trapezoid and all the measure of the sides is given. So we will just have to add them up. 48 plus 65 plus 52 plus 93 is equal to 258 dm, which is the perimeter of the polygon. Let us begin with irregular polygons. The measure of the sides is given, so we'll just have to add them up. The quantity of 3 times 21 plus the quantity of 2 times 7 plus 37 is 114 meters. 114 meters is the perimeter of the polygon. The measures of the sides are given, so we'll just have to add them up. 23 plus the quantity of 41 times 2 plus the quantity of 21 times 2 is 147 millimeters. So the perimeter is 147 millimeters. The last irregular polygon. Add the measures of the sides. The quantity of 4 times 19 plus the quantity of 5 times 15 plus the quantity of 23 times 2 plus 32 is 229 centimeters. 229 centimeters is our perimeter. To make everything in order, make a table. For car A, the diameter of the rotunda is 20 meters, and the number of times it went circles is 4 times, while in car B, the diameter of the rotunda is 16 meters, and the number of times it went circles is 5 times. The formula to find the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, or pi d. So for car A, the distance it covered was 20 meters, which is the diameter, times pi times 4, which is the number of times it went circles. The answer will be 251.33 meters. In car B, the distance it covered is equal to 16 meters, which is the diameter times pi times 5, which is the number it went circles. The answer will be 251.33 meters. The distance covered by the two cars are the same, so the answer will be neither of them traveled further. The formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus 2W is equal to the perimeter. So our length will be the greater, which is 3x plus 17, and the width will be x minus 12. Substitute the values for L and W. So the quantity of 3x plus 17 times 2 plus the quantity of x minus 12 times 2 is equal to 869. Then 6x plus 34 plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 869. Then 8x plus 10 is equal to 869. 859 is equal to 8x. Dividing 859 to 8 is equal to 107.375, which is our x. The square has four corners which have a 90-degree angle. When we place the diagonal in the square is now made up of two triangles. And these triangles are 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree triangles. This side triangle have a formula. The sides will be x and the hypotenuse will be x square root of 2. Equate 24.042 to x square root of 2. X is 24.042 divided by square root of 2. Then x is 17 inches. Since we have to find the perimeter, multiply 17 inches to 4 because of the formula. So 17 times 4 is 68. The perimeter is 68 inches.